Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to this historic launch call. My name is Matt Ward. I'm the president here at Auvoria Prime, and what an honor it is to be on this call with you guys. Wow, I can see people from all over the world. Our numbers are climbing, well over 140 people on the call, and it just keeps climbing like crazy. Yeah, let me go to the chats. I want to say hi to everybody. Where are we all calling in from? I see Australia, Sweden is in the house, Croatia's here. Sweden, Croatia. Where else? We got London is in the house. Kenya, what's up? Sweden, Croatia, Estonia. What's going on, Jock? Good to see you. Manchester, London's in the house. Wales, Sweden. Man, look at all these people from all over the world. Macedonia, welcome. Croatia, Birmingham. What's up? What's up, everybody? So good to see everybody. Bangladesh, awesome. Kareem, I see you, buddy. UAE is in the house. North UK is in the house. London, Bosnia, Germany. Wow. Ireland. Let's go, man. This is amazing. I love seeing people from all over the world, all walks of life, coming together. Super excited to get this thing going with you guys. And we have so much information to be coming at you guys. The numbers just keep climbing. I bet we're going to break over 200 people here pretty soon. As people are just keep coming on. So congratulations to showing up here today. If you guys are maybe guests or you're new, a little bit about Auvoria Prime. You know, we're a company, we're almost 4 years old, debt-free company with probably some of the best, infrastructure that you guys have ever seen. And I tell you, we have come a long ways as a company, but there's no better place and time in history than be a part of Auvoria Prime right now with Kratos. And somebody keeps raising their hand. I'm not going to answer it because I'm trying to concentrate on the call. I don't know why they keep raising their hand. But I'm super excited. Hey, I also want to make a quick announcement real quick that if you guys would definitely go down the bottom, there's a new feature. It's called closed caption. If you want to click it, you can 100% pick your language, and it will translate the language for you guys. So it's called closed caption. It's there at the bottom. Click on it. You can click your language, and you can absolutely come in and see everything going across the screen in your language. So that's a brand new feature here that we have. It says show closed captions. Choose your language, and you can listen. Okay, so. Welcome to the call, guys. Super excited. At the end of this call, okay, I want you to stay. I'm about to bring on Dominic, and he's going to be going over the power of Kratos, all the updates to Kratos, but then we're going to be launching KraitosX and the power that is KraitosX that trades gold. And this is going to be a really, really powerful call for you guys. So make sure to get some pen and paper out as Dominic has a lot of information. And then at the end of the call, stay on here, okay? Stay on this call, because at the end of the call, I'm going to come back on and I'm going to be launching some January promotions that are super, super, super hot. Okay, you do not want to miss these promotions. So make sure to stay on this call at the end so I can launch these promotions with you guys. So Dominic, brother, if you're there, turn your camera on so everyone can see your beautiful shining face. And there he is. There he is. And Dominic, I'm super excited, man. I went over some of the slides earlier, saw how powerful even just Kratos is now. But then how powerful KraitosX is about to be, and the combination thereof is about to be the most powerful, intelligent trading algorithm, I believe, in the world. And we have that, and all of our customers are about to have it. So, Dominic, I'm super excited what you're about to share, and I'm going to turn the call over to you.
Thank you, Matt. So welcome everybody to the call. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all the best, health, success, whatever you want, whatever you wish for yourself and for your family. And I think that you're in the right place at the right time today, because we really have something amazing for you guys. So I'm just gonna jump into the slides because it's way easier for me and for you to follow along. So today we have KraitosX pre-launch. Okay, today you're the first people that you're seeing what we are launching today on Saturday. Write it down, Saturday, the exact same time we are doing the KraitosX launch, because today not everybody is available, not everybody has time, so we decided that this is a pre-launch, and then on Saturday you can invite people to get these amazing promotions that Matt's gonna go over, so they can start using KraitosX and Kratos straight away. So Saturday, 9 p.m. Central European Time, 3 p.m. EST, we are doing the same call again. So let's go. My name is Dominic Plevnik. If somebody doesn't know me yet, I'm a VIP 5000 with Auvoria Prime. With Auvoria Prime for over 4 years. Not over 4 years, but it's going to be 4 years since day one when we launched Auvoria Prime. I was there. You can also give me a follow on Instagram at Dominic P. And I'm also a co-developer of Kratos and KraitosX, because what we did with Kratos and KraitosX the last year, I had a lot of things that I told the developers they need to do. Okay. And today we're going to be talking actually of future of wealth creation. And we're going to be talking how to unleash the power of financial markets, because we all know that financial markets are the best tool to get ahead in front of the masses. Why? Because we can make a lot of money in it, but we also need a right of tools, and it has never been easier to make profit through trading than it is now. Why? Because the technology, it's like advancing like never before. Today we actually you're gonna discover how everyday investors are surpassing traditional investment returns by harnessing the power of AI driven trading technology. So what is actually a trading algorithm? For somebody that doesn't know, this is a successful trading strategy that it's built into a system using software to enter and exit trades. These algorithms enable you to trade on the Forex market automatically. Most of these algorithms are working on the biggest platforms, and this is the MetaTrader 4 and MT5 MetaTrader 5. So actions after initial coding, because a lot of people always ask me, Dominic, you're always testing something, you're always changing something. Why? Because we have to start testing, back testing, forward testing to see if our algorithms are actually performing good in the history data and also in the forward moving markets. Okay. And then what we are doing, we are optimizing indicators, time frames, risk management, position sizing, and other things, so we can increase win ratio and we can decrease risk and all other things that I'm not gonna go into it today. But what we do then we test and repeat, because Forex, it's always changing, trading is always changing. So what we have to do, we have to be always changing, win the market if we want to be on the winning side of the market. And I think that all of you that are today on this webinar, you always want to be on the right side of the market. So this is what we are doing here at Auvoria Prime, that we are always optimizing and giving you the best EAs, the best settings, and everything that we can help you win in these biggest financial markets in the world. So now you're gonna ask, so who is using these trading technologies? Who is using AI to trade? And I will tell you right now, this has already been a long time coming. A lot of people are been doing this for years and years, but the technology that it's right now available to you, to me, like to regular people, wasn't available to us like 20, 30 years ago, but there were people that were actually trading with EAs, with different algorithms, like since the 90s. Okay, and one of them is Jim Simmons. If you didn't hear about him yet, go and Google who this guy is. And this guy, it's one of the richest people in the world, because he created a fund that it's called a medallion fund. And what he was averaging for his investors 60% a year. Okay, remember this number, 60% a year, and he's one of the richest people in the world. And if you would invest into his medallion fund in 1988, when he founded his fund, by 2008 your $10,000 would grow to 121 million. Okay, and then in 2018, before he closed his fund because he kicked out all the investors, now it's only his family inside and people that are actually employed by him, and everybody else was kicked out. And when he kicked people out, you would grow your $10,000 to 13 billion. Okay, 13 billion from 1988 to 2018. So what you have to understand here, it's one thing. What I want to tell you is that in every single investment in this world, it needs time. Nobody can get rich overnight, nobody can get rich in 1 year, but if you're here for a long run, you can make significant profits and also change your life. So Kratos, now we're gonna touch into Kratos. Kratos is our most favorite. People are loving Kratos, and it's like our like most used EA. So Kratos, you have to know, it's running since January 2020 on a live account. This is not our account, but the account of the developers. I have access to it, and it's still doing amazing, and it's running since over 3 years. The developers of Kratos, they actually like partner with us with AP. It's exclusively only in AP. You will never see Kratos anywhere else. You will never see a software like that anywhere else because it's an exclusive partnership with AP. And we partnered with those developers in 2023 in January. Since we partnered with them, the last year, what we were doing, we were developing, making Kratos better. Every single 3 months, you saw we made it better, we made better profits, less drawdown, what is really important. And just that you know, okay, this is not like just like a little piece of software that somebody can come up like at home, oh, I'm gonna create a software. But actually Kratos right now has over 60,000 lines of code, so that you have to know this is like one of the best softwares that you can possibly get in the whole space of trading. And what we did with all this enhancements that we did the last year, we actually increased our profits for more than 100%. Once we started trading with Kratos, like in January, February, we were making between like 2 to 3, 5% a month, and now our performance went up between 7, some people even 10, 12% a month. So we increased our profits for more than 100%, but what we did, we actually lowered the risk and we lowered the exposure. So I really think we did like an amazing job, and we didn't stop here. Okay, we are already developing Kratos more and more and more because we just want to give you the best EA possible. So right now, I want to talk to you about something. This software, it's not for everyone. And this software, it's not for you if you prefer active trading. What I mean with that, it's not for you if you just want to be on the charts, you want to chart, you want to manual trade, it's not for you. You want immediate high returns. It's not for you. Not for those seeking quick, extraordinary profits, overnight success. You're unwilling to accept any risk. If you're not willing to accept any risk, all trading, you have to remember, involves risk, and this software, it's not for those looking for guaranteed returns, because there is no guarantees in trading. You have limited capital. If you can't comfortably invest at least $3,000, okay, I will tell you, you can trade with 1,000, but the best results you will see with the accounts $3,000 and plus. And maybe if you don't have $3,000, this may be not the right fit for you. You expect unrealistic returns because a lot of people come with like, oh my God, I'm gonna make 15, 20, 30, 40%. We all saw those softwares that they can make 20%, 40%, and then the next month they blow your whole account. So what we are aiming for, we are aiming between 2 to 7% a month, but with low risk that we are never in trouble. You prefer traditional investment methods. This is not ideal if you're uncomfortable with algorithmic trading where the EAs trade for you, and if you're micromanaging and enthusiast, okay, if you want to micromanaging everything, it's not for you. But this software is for you if you're a busy professional or entrepreneur, that you're just a person that is looking for something that can trade your money for, that's for you. You seek hands-free trading, that's also for you. You appreciate tailored risk management because we have risk management settings for people that want to be aggressive, for people that want to be conservative, for people who want to be moderate. We have all these settings for you. You have capital to invest. If you have $3,000 and more to invest, then this software is for you. If you are the one person that wants steady returns between 2 to 7% a month, then this is for you. You value diversified strategies and you're interested in compounding growth over time, then this software definitely is for you. So let's go over. So what is Kratos? Kratos has advanced algorithms and it can trade and analyze 27 pairs at the same time. Okay, his win ratio, it's over 80%. It has adaptive scaling techniques, what means that it doesn't just open randomly trades, but it has like really perfected how it scales into trades. complete control. You can trade on any broker. You control the trading settings. It has different risk settings, like it's a currency shield, capital protection, trading. You will see like a lot of positions. If you're just gonna stick with the settings that we give you, you can also see up to 5, 6 positions a day. Trading settings, adjustable take profit, and we are trying to grow our accounts every single year between 80 to 120%. Okay. Everything what you see here is going to be on your personal VPS cloud computer. This is like everything works in the cloud, so you don't need a internet connection because everything is connected for you, and it's fully automated trading, but it does not apply for all the countries. If you're calling in from the US, you will have to always approve trades. You will have to the type 2 times a day. You will get a notification to our Auvoria Prime app, and you will have to approve sales and buys for Kratos for 24 hours, and you have to do 24 hours this approval. So the next thing you can see here, original version of Kratos that started in AP, started in 2022 in May, and you can see the performance here. You can see between 2, sometimes even 11%, and then you can see the old version. This is the first version. This is not the version that it's running now in AP. You can see that performance drop like 2.8, 2.8, 0.7%, and like 1%, and then you see picked up to 7%, 6%. But I will show you what we did with the version that we have in AP now, so you understand what we did and how much more profit we are actually doing. Okay, so what we did with Kratos updates in 2023, we implemented a trailing stop loss on initial trades and also on managing trades. What does this give us? It gives us profit protection. It locks in gains as the market moves into our favor. If it reverses, we get stopped out with profits. Minimizes the risk of giving back profits in case of reversal, what is really, really important, because we never want to give profit when we are in profit back to the market. Okay, we also implemented the quantum zone strategy. What it's really important, because the quantum zone strategy enhances market entry precision by analyzing the market's last 30-day range. Our strategy, it's to avoid buying near market tops by assessing the upper range of the last 30 days, and avoid selling near market bottoms by examining the lower range of the last 30 days. And what we achieved with that, we achieved that much bigger precision than we had when we started with Kratos. So as you can see here, I made a screenshot where you can see and observe how precise Kratos is and how we can, with the trailing stop loss, get a lot of more profits. Because you can see here, we have sell position, sell position, sell position, and then you can see here on the red arrow, here is the stop loss, and you can see that where it's the market, it's way down, because we caught all the big sell on NZD USD, and I don't even know how many pips we caught with that, but it was a lot of profit. And what will give you that, once the market goes in our favor, we will catch bigger moves. And what does that mean? Bigger profits without increasing any risk. And this is like what every single trader in the world wants: bigger profits with low risk or not increasing the risk. So then we also added some risk management things in, relaxing after X many of trades, because you can set that Kratos opens only like 2 trades per pair, 3 trades per pair, or 4 pairs trades per pair. So this is up to you how you want to trade. Then chill out when a percentage of drawdown is reached on the balance. So if, let's say, Kratos goes 5% into drawdown, you can say don't open up any new trades, just manage the existing trades until the drawdown goes under 5%. What it's really important. Then you also have an option add to position if positive, as you saw on NZD USD. When the pair goes into our favor, it's just gonna put in more and more trades, so we can catch a bigger move, so that we can catch bigger profits. But what happened like 3 months ago? Yeah, I think it's like 3 months ago. We started working on something that like changed everything right now, and this is the smart money concept integrated into Kratos. And I think this was like one of the biggest things that we did with Kratos. Why? Because right now like how Kratos trades is just amazing. We are trading with the big banks, with the big hedge funds, and we are actually trading with the trend. And I will show you that in the next screenshots. But first, what is smart money? Okay, smart money, we are looking for changing character. So that means like when the market goes from buys to sells, we are always on the right side of it. How we are doing that? We are looking at the smart money on a daily chart. So for the people that know how to trade, you know that this is like really important. So trading implementation, look for a shift in order flow indicating the last level of demand or supply feeling. And this, what we gain with this, you can see here on the next slide. You have just like here examples of like three pairs. You can see here USD Swiss franc, that was like a prime example last week before the new year. So last week, yeah, when USD Swiss franc just like tanked like for 400 pips, and you can see here we were just selling the whole trend to the downside. We were just selling, and here you can see USD CAD sell position, sell position, sell position, sell positions. And on Euro USD, you can see here what we were doing. We were just buying up the trend, and this is like I will say like that dream of every single trader to have like an EA that can actually trade with a trend, because most of the EAs out there are like mean reversal strategies, like cost averaging and all these things, and people don't like to have like too many positions open, and the EAs are trading against the trend. But here now you can even trade with the trend. Okay, so what we achieved with that, it's like that we have early trend identification, catch the onset of new trends or reversals, increase profitability of success, align trades with the market sentiment, what is really important, alignment with higher time frames, confirm trends on both lower and higher time frames. This is what Kratos does now. Opportunity for trend following, right established trends for maximum profits. As you can see here on these examples, reduce lag in entry signals, capture more of the initial price movement, increase confidence in trades, because now we are trading with the big boys. So now you can be really confident that most of the times you're going to be on the right side of the market. And then also utilization of multi-time frame analysis, leverage insights from various time frames. And this is what we also created for KraitosX. And I think that for KraitosX, you will be like really, really happy once you see what we actually did. So here now you can see the last year 2023. You can see the old version of Kratos. Okay, you can see in March the old version of Kratos did only 0.17%. This was an account that started in March, so this one did 0.81. But then you can see in April it did 0.76, the old version. The new version did 4%, so what means almost 400% more. Then in May, you can see the old version did only 1.6%. Our new version did 8.64%. Guys, this is 700% more in profits. Okay, then you can see June, it did 0.39%, and the new version did 0.7%. Then July, the old version did a little bit more. August, it was so, but we still made more. And you can see we're always doing better than the old version was doing. And this is like what we want to give you, that from month to month, year to year, we are giving you better returns with the same or lower risk. So now I will also show you some verified performance that it's verified by MyFXBook. This is the third party verification service where we connect our accounts to MyFXBook, and then we get all the analysis. Now I will show you something that you guys have to understand. It's really important. As I told you, you can start with $1,000, but if you start with $1,000, you're not going to be that happy with 5%. But I will also show you bigger accounts that our customers are running, so you're going to see like how it looks when you have $100,000 account. And this is no prop firm accounts, okay? These are live accounts. And then I will also call up some of the people so they can tell you their experience trading with Kratos and what they think about Kratos and why they also love it. So now I will share my screen. I will change the share screen here. Okay. So first of all, we're gonna look at an account that was started just with $1,000, okay, live account. And also keep in mind this account wasn't trading a whole month of November, because this broker that we were using was going through some transition, so it was the whole month it wasn't trading. So just that you know that like month and a half it wasn't trading at all. But you can see Since we began, this account was deposited first only $900 and it grew now to $1,859 since March. Okay, it was deposited last day that we can see here history. So guys can see, okay, you can see on the 31st of December last year, so 2 days ago, it was deposited another $400. But as you can see, we are growing also small accounts really, really good. Okay, then you can see here another account that started in 27th of March last year, up 63%. You can also see here that the person deposits $7,500 and they already withdrew $7,500. So right now they're trading with no risk because they're only trading with their profits. Then we have here next account that started only in May, 9th of May. He's already up 43%. So I think that he's easily gonna do like 120% when the May comes. He didn't start the year so good. We have like everything in red here, just like $5. I'm joking. But then we have like here a person that started with us when he started with us trading with Kratos in November. Before he was trading with our other EA Gearbox, and then he's like, "Oh, I see that people are doing good with Kratos. Let me switch to Kratos." And he actually deposited $19,000. He already withdrew 4,000, but look at his results. He's not touching anything. He's just letting it run. He did 10% and 12%. So you can see here, if we go to profit, 1 month 1,300, then December 2,000 euros, guys. Just amazing. And then we have here a little bit larger account. This person, it's not a trader. He doesn't know anything about trading. Okay, and soon he's gonna be a six-figure trader. He started with just 80,000. He started with $80,000, and just in few short months, he's running this account like really conservative. He's not like doing anything crazy, but you can see 3%, 4%, 3, 5, 5%. And if you go into profit, you can see profits to 3,000, 3,500, 3,500, 4,500, 5,000 euros just in a month. What it's amazing, okay? And I want to show you here my testing account. This is forward testing on $1 million, and you can see we started this one when once we launched Kratos Smart Money, and since November 9, November and December usually like the slowest months of the year, we actually gained 21%. Just today we did $10,000, but not right now. We are 2.5% in drawdown, nothing major. But you can see here, if we go into profits, just in December, this account did $130,000 in profit. And keep in mind, this person would pay the same amount for the subscription like somebody that is just trading with $1,000. So now I will also show you some of the forward testing as I was talking to you. All of you are going to get access to these forward testing results, like where I'm running different settings, so you can see how Kratos works with different settings, because I really think that's like really important for all of you. And right now we're running all the pairs here, and we are just like $1.90 in a drawdown. But what I want to show you, what it's like really impressive, it's like the win ratio of Kratos Smart Money. You can see here 23 trades, we won 18 trades, 19 trades, we won 16 trades, 13 trades, we won 11 trades, 12 trades, we won 11 trades, 26 trades, we won 22 trades, 15 trades, we won 12 trades. And you can see how precise this thing is and how it trades. And this is like what it's like so impressive about Kratos Smart Money, and it's just gonna keep getting better and better. So right now, I would like to get some people on. First of all, Dover, I will call you. More promote to panelist. Then we have here Heidi, remote to panelist. And we have Yak. If Yak is here, Yak is also here. More promote to panelist. And then Liam, if it's here. Okay, Liam, it's also here. Promote to panelist. Okay, so all of you guys are here right now. Let me see who has a camera on. Okay, Dover is here. So Dover, we're gonna start with you.
I can
Uh,
start my video.
yeah, I have to give you panelist, change panelist appearance. Uh, Wait, what I should do? Mute pin, hide node, rename. Matt, do you know how we can start our video?
Let me see if I can promote him to host. There he goes. You should be good.
Okay, Dower, you can try.
All right,
Okay,
it's
here it
on.
is.
It's on. Oh, I have a cool background. Hey, how's everybody doing?
Great, great.
So you want to hear some results, Dominic?
I
uh,
just want to like know like what it's like your experience because you're also in this EA trading space now like for 4 years, more, yeah, 4 years, 5 years, and like you went like through a lot of EAs and what's different about Kratos? What was your experience? What is experience of customers and why would somebody want to like start trading with Kratos?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, what you said, I've been in this space for 4 years, and what I seen, like we used multiple different softwares, and some good, some bad. But what I seen that Kratos trades completely differently than other softwares do. Here's why. This is what Dominic just shown you a little bit before, is it seeks for the trend. And once it finds that trend, it catches the trend. You don't have to be, am I gonna go in big drawdown? Is my account gonna get in high risk? No, it's a low exposure software, and that's what I love about it, because you don't have to monitor it every every day 5 times, plug it out when there's a red news folder or something like that. It's you plug it in and leave it to work. And what I've seen is really outstanding. So I've been using Kratos personally, and it's creating between 5 and 8% profits per month, which is really great. I mean, the latest versions, I have not been using it on the first versions. And I have my KraitosX testing account with as a part of beta testing group. And this software is just amazes me. Look at the amount of blue trades here. This it's like just stacking blue, 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 blue. I think I have over 97% of win rate. I never seen something like that. And it trades, it literally does 20 trades per day. So I cannot wait for us to launch KraitosX in live environments. Everybody that's on this call and people around us can use this software, test it out. But also, I encourage everybody, use Kratos. Use Kratos as your basic software. Plug in KraitosX, and it's literally no stress trading, and that's the
Nice.
best part of the trading.
Thank you, Dower. So
Welcome.
now, Matt, if you can promote Yak for also for co-host, so he can turn on his camera. Yak, can you try? Okay, here it is. So,
Oh,
guys, that you're gonna know, Yak, it's also one of the guys that is trading a lot with Kratos, also helping a lot with beta testing and everything. So I also want that you guys hear from him because he has like the more of the back view what we're doing. So, Yak, you can tell them your experience and like why would you recommend some Kratos to someone?
I've been running Kratos for about a year now, and I've tried all the softwares that AP has had so far. And to be honest, Kratos is the first one where I feel comfortable just keep on adding funds, growing the account so I can lower the risk and get more profits. So it's like it's the first account that I'm running on 15K US dollars, and I want to get it up to 40K before I start taking any profits out. So this is the how much trust I have into Kratos, because I have seen it work throughout the year. And last year there were a couple of big moves, and it handled those moves actually really nicely. Of course, depending on what settings somebody's running, you will have different results. And the results that I have seen, I would say between 0.5 to around 19% per month. The latter 19% per month is a special case. She averages about 10 to 12% a month, but she's a trader herself, and she's been trading for about, I think, over 10 years, and she has also done development with EAs, and she really loves Kratos. That's a
Nice.
really important statement because she has a lot of experience. and she's glad that Kratos came along. So that's a good thing. And when it comes to how much time it takes to manage it, I would say for the average user, 5 to 10 minutes a week, maybe. So like
Oh
just
well.
just just during the weekend when the market is closed, just go check on your VPS that everything is connected, everything's ready for the next week, and that's about it. If you set it up in a way that you don't have to manage or do anything there.
Nice. So like it's also like for somebody that never traded before, he can use Kratos.
Yeah, it's like let's say uh, when you normally visit a friend, you take your own car there. Let's say it's a long trip to another country. Now you just sit in a taxi, and then the taxi takes you there, basically.
So it's easy.
Yeah, it's I mean it's like it's easy to set it up and run it, but you still will have the psychological part of handling drawdown and different things. And this is also a really good option to develop yourself as a person, actually, because
Mm,
when you grow your money smarts, it will actually spill over to the rest of your life also.
most definitely, most definitely. Thank you,
Yeah,
Yak, for your insight.
of course.
Matt, now if we can get also like a lady to speak, if you can promote Heidi to co-host. If you're here, Matt, I hope you're here.
But yeah, I promoted everybody. They're good to go.
Okay, so Heidi, you can turn on your. Okay, here she
Hi,
is.
can you
Let
hear me well?
no, like you're like like a ghost. You look like a ghost.
I see that. One second. Oh my gosh. Okay.
No, it's better, yeah.
I think it's my lighting. You know what it is? I'm sorry, guys. I'm the only one that doesn't have the AP background.
No problem. Heidi, how long are you now using Kratos and like your customers and like what you see with Kratos? What is your experience? Because I know you're like a newer user of Kratos, so just let people know your experience.
So I started using Kratos right after the event in November, and I'm gonna be honest. I have a lot of experience with EAs in the past. They've cost me thousands, and when I mean thousands, I mean like in the bigger thousands of money. And these EAs have blown my accounts, have either overdrawn my accounts. They just have not worked. When it comes to Kratos, I am in love with the product because one thing that it's super important is the risk management that we can have with Kratos. And I have it at such safe risk. The first couple of weeks, my account and my customer's account, I had literally 100% earnings, no losses, and my clients' accounts are at 90 something percent, 87% the less. I have a client that he invested in it. He has a couple of accounts, and he's like, all right, I'm gonna wait for a couple of months, after the event, the whole building with AP. I'm gonna
Mhm.
wait for a couple of months to start bringing people in. He's already bringing people in. He has like 3 people this month because he's so in love with Kratos. He sent me a spreadsheet today that he made in Excel of all of the earnings that Kratos has done for him in literally
Nice.
just 3 weeks. And I'm in love with it. It's a very, very safe product to use. And what the only thing that I can tell people, like for me, it's easier because I trade and I'm a trader, but people need to have more patience, okay? And the risk to reward ratio and believe in the compound interest because that's what it is. Nothing is gonna get rich in a month, not even in a year. But this is liquid gold, guys. Imagine just creating this passive income with a software so safe. It's extremely safe and low risk. I love it. So thank
Nice,
you.
Heidi. Thank you for your insight. And now I will call also up Liam. I know that Liam is with us like a long time. And also, Liam, you have like a lot of customers that are trading with Kratos. I know that you run also a lot of accounts. So if we can hear a little bit of your story.
Yo, you good? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, happy days. I don't know how I got this AP background. I've never had this before. You're the wizard
Looks
with
nice.
yeah, it looks good. It looks good. But yeah, I've been trading with Kratos since the launch back in January now, so it's basically been a year. And yeah, it's been amazing. Like the way it trades, I love the precise entries of it. As we spoke about, looking for the trend as well. And yeah, the success rate is phenomenal on the trades. And Like I've been trading since V1, V2, V3, and all of them, and obviously V4 as well. All of them have been amazing, and like in each one, I've seen little areas where it could maybe get a little bit better through like the trailing SLs or maybe better entries. And as a development team of AP, and that's what I love about AP so much. Like I've been with you guys for like 4 years now, and whenever software comes our way, we're not just looking at that and thinking that's the holy grail. Always looking at how to make it better and improving on it and really pushing it forward for the future. And that's what we've done with Kratos. It continuously got better with the entries. Like the trailing SLs for me have been the godsend, really. Like I've been seeing it in times, especially V1, where it might bank at 10 pips. The next thing it moves not another 90 pips or something stupid you're pulling your hair out a bit. But again, you guys have looked at that and you've improved on it, and we've seen that now happen where the market spikes and the trailing SL kicks in. It's a beautiful thing, especially when we get into the second and third sequence of trades. That's when it really starts to ramp up, and you can start seeing a good few percent per sequence, which is quite exciting. But yeah,
Nice.
in terms of kind of what makes Kratos different, I'd just say the development that's really gone into it, the mind, the brain power that's gone into the software itself to continuously make it better and improve. And I feel like that kind of what has separated it from anything else. I've tried softwares throughout, not only AP, throughout other companies and other developers that always have the holy grail and the best softwares. But for me, this is definitely the best software that I've used over the past 4 years of trading with tools. So yeah, excited to
Nice.
continue to grow and expand with us here at AP.
Nice. Thank you, Leon, for your insight. So, guys, now you heard from all different users that are using Kratos now for already like a long time. So you can see that everybody is happy with it. Like everybody's trying to do better and better and better. And this is like what we want to do. That once we find something that it's not working, we just want to improve on it. And let's jump back into the presentation, because now we are coming to the part, because I want to show you like what we created with Kratos. So you gonna have that think and that you're gonna be like, oh my god, like, so what did they do with KraitosX? So KraitosX, it's optimized for trading, especially gold. Okay, it's everything that you love about Kratos, but the algorithm is developed to trade only on gold. So all the things that you love about Kratos optimized for trading gold. Okay, smart entries, smart money concepts, smart multi-time frame that you can choose on which time frame is looking at the gold, smart money, trailing stop loss on all the trades, and more trade and add more trades if positive. So then I'm not gonna talk here now. I will show you KraitosX. It's not now the last version that you guys are gonna go get on the VPS, but it's our testing version. Let me just choose the right one. Just let me know if you see now my screen. Okay, just put it in the chat if you see the right one. It's a black background. Okay, perfect. So you can see here right now, you can see KraitosX trading, and KraitosX is gonna do a lot more trades that you were used with Kratos, with normal Kratos. And you can see here, it's just here you can see it was just buying, 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 buying. You can see like all these small trades, and then we started here selling and then selling, and you can see here buy, 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 and now we are here in a buy. And why we are here in a buy is because here on this KraitosX, I will show you right now, we have the here we have it set that it's looking for the smart money on M30. Okay, but now I will show you how it is on the other one, that we have KraitosX trading on smart money, trading on H1. You can see H1, and H1 right now, I don't think that it's in a buy, but I think that it is in let me see, let's open it up here. Right now it doesn't have any trades open, but it was in the sell the last time. So KraitosX will be like really amazing trading with the trend, and it will do a lot of trades. Sometimes you can even see like 10 to 15 trades per day. Okay, I will also show you my FX book that we also started. But let me go now back into my presentation. So the next key features, what you have here, it's automated precision. Kratos uses advanced algorithms and AI analysts for automated trading. Okay, it analyzes it on H1, on M30. It has to have different, how would you say, confirmations before it enters a trade. Specializes in quick trades lasting under 30 minutes. You will see trades close like every few minutes. And then also KraitosX, we take capital protection seriously. Our robust risk management techniques ensure the safety of your investment and minimize potential losses. So we will also give you some settings that we will back test because we really want to optimize it for you guys, and this is the next step what we are working on. And we aim to achieve constant monthly profits of between 5 to 10%, because just imagine that you're running Kratos plus KraitosX, and Kratos does 5%, and KraitosX does 5%. So you did altogether 10%, and yes, you will be able to run KraitosX on the same account. Okay, if you wish to, you can run them on the same account. They don't interfere with each other. Okay, and now let's go forward. In progress, what it's in progress. Okay, in progress, we are now developing the backtesting development is in the process of developing a backtestable version of Kratos. So why we're doing that? Because we want to give you optimized set files. Set files are settings for Kratos X, and we will monthly deliver these set files that are going to be optimized for the last 90 days of market data. These are going to be adaptive strategies, adjust strategies dynamically to evolving market conditions, and enhance efficiency in managing trading portfolios. So what we will do, continuous improvement and optimization for optimal performance. So right now, I will show you my FX book. This my FX book, it's not like a long-term my FX book, because we weren't like not developing Kratos like to look at performance, but we had to do everything that it works the right way, and that you guys gonna get it a version that works. Okay, and now we will start doing the optimization for what, for performance. But anyway guys, like right now, we started a MyFX book. It's at December 18 when we got the last version of Kratos X, and you can see here running 0.01 per $1,000. We achieved since December 18, we achieved 9% and 6% drawdown. So just today we did 0.76%, and the winning profitability is 95%, as Davor showed you before that he has like only blues. So mostly you will see only blue data on Kratos X. But again, right now when Kratos X gonna be available for you guys to purchase, I will encourage you for only one thing. Okay, I saw a lot of launches of EAs, and once we push it into a live environment, when it goes this like to 1,000 of customers, okay guys, I will encourage you to be like for the first week, first 14 days, 30 days, be on a demo account, because we never know what it can happen. Okay, like something doesn't get installed the right way, something we missed, like a little bit piece of code, whatever. Okay, something can happen on your account. So we don't want you to have a bad experience, we want you to have the best experience possible. So this is like my wish for you. Okay, don't now be like, oh, I paid for the software, I have to put it on the live account. Guys, have it like that. The first 30 days, it's a learning curve where you invest so you can see how the software works, to learn about the software. And then like after 30 days, when we see that everything is working, guys, go for it, go live accounts. But for the first 30 days, I'm personally, I will still gonna be on I will start a small live account, but I will go super conservative. If you want to go live, go conservative, go like 0.01 per 2,000 or 3,000 or 5,000, but don't be now like that one. Let's go all in 0.01 per thousand, crazy settings, because you want to make money super fast. As you guys saw, if we can do 60% to 120% a year, we can all be really, really rich and also successful. So right now, the question is when Kratos X is going to be available for you guys to purchase, and Kratos X will be available today in your back office. You will be able to also buy it, to purchase it in the back office. Before I go, I just want to let you know something, okay? KraitosX, because it's like we put a lot of money in the development. It's like an awesome software. It's not going to be available. It's going to be only available in Silver Pass and above. Okay. So once you have the Silver Pass, it's going to be $228 monthly. That means that you will be able to run either Kratos 4.1 and Kratos X together. Okay. You can put Gearbox and Kratos X. Okay. You can even have two Kratos X if you want to in the Silver Pass, but it's going to be only available in silver and above. So what you're gonna get once you purchase Kratos, you will get VPS virtual private server, you will get Discord community, you will get forward testing data where you can follow all the accounts, you will get the back testing data when we have, so we will make everything available to the public, software updates, 24/7 support, without any binding. You can cancel whenever you want, no profit share, you keep 100% of the profit share, and also you will be eligible for referral commission if you refer customers. If you refer 3 customers that are running Kratos X, your Kratos X, it's for free. You just have to pay $30 for the VPS. But guys, right now I will kick it back to Matt, because Matt and the whole AP, they prepared like really something amazing. We were masterminding like what we can do so you guys can be excited, so you guys can get Kratos X. And guys, I'm telling you, what we prepared for you, I think it's gonna blow your minds away. Because of that, we decided that we're gonna do also a webinar just like this on Saturday, 9 p.m. Central European Time, so you can get as many friends on these special prices and what we prepared for you, because we really want you to try and see the power of Kratos X. So Matt, go for it, show them, and I hope they're gonna be excited.
Awesome. If you guys are excited about Kratos and Kratos X, give me a bunch of ones in the chat. I want to see who's excited about this amazing technology that Auvoria Prime has put together for you guys. By far, our programmers and the people who program on this, they even told us that this is the most powerful trading algorithm we've ever seen in our entire life. And it truly is. And I'm super excited to be launching this into 2024. In a major way, and I'm excited to be able to launch some all the ones coming in. I love it. I'm excited to be able to launch some incentives for you guys to really get you guys rocking and rolling. And here's what I'm going to tell you guys. A lot of you maybe you did not accomplish your financial goals in 2023, right? Maybe you weren't able to do exactly what you wanted to do in 2023. But guess what? We're in a new year, baby. We're right here at a brand new year, 2024. And our goal for you is that you will achieve the highest financial goals that you have this year using this platform and using this technology, because there's nothing like it. You have 2 choices. I'll come back to this in a second. You have 2 choices when you're looking at investing, right? You're either going to try to learn how to trade by yourself, which is very hard, or 2, you're going to go find some kind of investment firm to put your money in and maybe get 6 or 7% a year. Or you just saw the numbers of something that automatically compounds your money. There's nothing more powerful than compounding. The power of compounding is how you build wealth. But to be able to see something that's doing this kind of compounding and this kind of yearly growth, it's unbelievable what can happen in your life in the next 4, 5, 6 years. Here's what I can tell you. Being 47 years old, 10 years will go by whether you like it or not. I would rather start preparing now, so 10 years from now, you look back and go, I've made myself a multimillionaire by compounding my money and growing my wealth using technology like this. It's unbelievable what we have access to. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, this is our Happy New Year promotion. We also have flyers that'll be going out, things like that. But definitely take pictures with your phones. This is just one slide. I got a bunch of them, so hang with me, okay, as we're going through this. So we had a December promotion. We decided to extend it. So for you guys that are maybe guests here, you're not a part of the Warrior Prime community, we have what's called 14-day passes, where someone can try this thing out for 14 days. We're doing a 50% off our 14-day passes. So once you come in, you can go out and share with everyone you know and care about so they can try it out for 14 days. We're giving you 15% off of that so everyone can get them. We're also doing $300 off our enrollment of AP Social Trading, which is one of our products. This is for Fingo Pro 1 and 5, which is actually now live on Star Trader Broker as well. In Europe. So super excited about that. But AP Social Trading is our PAMs if you sort of speak. And so now it's going to be $300 off the enrollment, and you can join AP Social Trading for just $75. This ends January 31st at midnight. Okay. So as Dominic just said, the only way you can have access to KraitosX is you have to be on a silver access pass. Okay. It's that valuable of a product. It's that powerful of a product that it can command that you have to be on a silver access pass in order to get it. How powerful would it be to have Kratos 4.1 and KraitosX both trading your account? It would be absolutely amazing and mind-numbing exactly what your account will be looking like, having these two powerful AI algorithms that's trading in the market, the largest market in the world, the Forex market, on your behalf, and be able to have two horses in the race, right? At a silver access pass is amazing. So we're going to launch some promotions for you guys because we really want everybody on this call to be able to join, but we want to incentivize you in a big way in January to get your financial dreams coming true, your goals coming true. And there's no better time to do that than right this minute. Okay, so January promotion. Are you ready? We're giving $100 off new silver access pass enrollments. So if you're watching this and you're not a part of Auvoria Prime, congratulations, you're about to get $100 off if you join right now on a silver access pass. For you guys that are in here, your affiliates, it comes with 1 point and a $40 direct sell bonus, and there's no pool points with this. Okay, this ends January 31st at midnight. Okay, so once again, for people who are not a part of the Auvoria Prime community, if you join right now, you're going to get $100 off the silver access pass, and you're going to be able to save money and be able to have access to two products. Okay, that's massive. Okay, who wants more? Here we go. Here goes the next one. Also, January promotion for anyone who is a bronze right now. You're a part of the Auvoria Prime community, and you're on a bronze access pass. You're like, oh no, I got to get KraitosX. I want to be a part of being able to trade in the gold market. We're going to give you $20 off of an upgrade to silver. So if you're currently a bronze, you're going to get $20 off to upgrade to silver, and there's going to be 2 points attached to this. Okay, this ends January 31st at midnight as well. Okay, let's go on to the next promotion. For everyone who has been inactive for 60 days or more. Okay, so maybe you've been a part of Auvoria Prime in the past, and for whatever reason, you haven't been active with Auvoria Prime. If you have not been active for 60 days or more, you're going to get $150 off silver access pass. There's no points to this. It's just it's a win back program. We want to win you back. We want to show you, hey, how much has changed with Auvoria Prime and how much we've grown this last year as a company. Again, this ends January 31st at midnight as well. Okay, there's also something we're going to throw in here, which I'm super excited about this. I know a lot of our leaders are as well. We have this product called AP Setup Pro. And what it is, it's for people who come in and they don't know anything. They don't know how to get their cryptocurrency. They don't know how to set up a broker. They don't know anything. And they're like, hey, I need help. So for the month of January, we are going to do AP Setup Pro for free for everyone who enrolls in January. Okay, so not only are you going to get $100 off, you're also going to get this amazing value of $45 that you're going to be able to come in and be able to have a professional help you set up. Now, maybe you might be savvy and you're like, hey, I don't need this. I can go in the back office and I can figure this out. That's fine. We've done a fantastic job. Our team is in the back office. Once you log in and you have Kratos and KraitosX, you just click on it, and we have a step-by-step way to get everything set up. Shows you how to get into VPS, shows you how to do all the settings, everything. So we've put a lot of work into that. But for someone who's just a novice and they have no idea, and this is just completely new to them, you're going to get AP Setup Pro for free, where you're going to set up an appointment with one of our customer service reps, and they're going to walk you step by step on helping you get everything set up in a major way. So I hope you guys are excited about that. This one right here, for all of you that are new, $100 off is a massive discount on a silver access pass for all of you. So get back with the person who introduced you here today and say, hey, I'm ready to get going. Send me your link. All this is live. KraitosX is getting a couple of touch-ups. I just got word that it will be available today. It might be a little bit later, a couple hours from now. but it will be available today in the back office. Just getting a couple of little tweaks and updates on it, and it'll be live here in a few hours. Okay, so Dominic, thank you so much, man, for pouring in all the leaders who did your testimonies. Hey, once again, if you did not make 2023 your year, it's not too late to lock arms with a company like us, amazing leaders in a company that really want to see you win in a major way. There's no better community than the Auvoria Prime community, because we're doing things that have never been done before using AI algorithms and technologies. Other people say they have them, but I can promise you in the last 6 years of my life, I've seen hundreds of them come across my desk, and most of them are absolute trash. And I'm super excited that we have real technology, real algorithms that are really intelligent, by some of the best traders and programmers in the world today. And Auvoria Prime is leading that with our products and our services. So thank you guys so much for jumping on. Get a link, get joined in this community. I cannot wait to hear about your success real soon. Have an amazing day, everybody. And more importantly, amazing year. See you guys.
See you guys.